Hi, my name's Alan Peters. I'm an illustrator and graphic designer. I have a design studio called Jupiter Visual that specializes in creative illustration and print work. I first started working with the Digital Workshop Center in 2016. I can be found teaching Adobe Illustrator, InDesign, Photoshop, as well as the Design Fundamentals class. I also work with students on their capstone projects at the end of the graphic design program. As a teacher, I focus on lean principles where students can build, measure, and learn quickly based on continuous feedback. I believe in empathy as a means to understanding students' needs and motivations, and place a high value on technical learning, which gives students the tools and abilities to see their creative visions through to completion. I look forward to meeting you in one of our upcoming online classes and helping you grow as a designer. Thanks.